We start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned if we want to look for buy, we have to get one more trade, one more drop, because we mentioned we want to put this one relative to this, and exactly this is what we get. And even mentioned we are almost at the top. If we want to buy, we have to get the proper trade setup, proper. The trade setup can confirm the continuation. And as you can see, when the price was here, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop with the breakout of this low, and this is what we get right now. If we get any reversal for buy, any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. As we can see, even we had a divergence based on this one, but MACD we could consider as a divergence as well. Actually, we have a divergence if we zoom in. All right. Anyway, as what we expected, the price drop. Right now, we're looking at this flat. No, if we get any trade setup for buy, we take the trade. But before we take the trade, as I mentioned, we have to get the trade setup at least as a short move flag. It depends on the traders how they can look for trade. Okay, if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. We want to see the breakout of the stop. But if this one to start to correct, similar to what I draw here, since this down move is really sharp, we can look for sell. That means still we can look for continuation. Okay, and as I mentioned, we can look for buy. If we get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, we can take it. And the only times we can look for sell, and we do if this one start to correct, similar to what I draw here, because what we get here is really sharp. Mostly we're looking for buy. How deep it can be, this one can be, still we can expect the price to drop, because we're looking for running flat. And if you're looking for running flat, as long as the price haven't break the previous low, still we can consider this as running flat. But I don't think the price can retest the previous low unless we see the sell setup here. And right now, as I mentioned, if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. And if we see any continuation with the breakout of the stop, we can look for next target, which is 2.8. Okay, almost at the top. And anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we're looking for buy. It depends on traders how they can look for trade as a sharp move flag, or having entry above the top can is not a really good option. The only thing is we have to get the trade set up here, at least similar to what we get here, what we have here. All right. And as I mentioned, if the prices start to correct similar to what I draw here, we see stance to a corrective move, we can look for sell. Since we had the divergence here, we can expect this one to drop some more. But mostly we're looking for buy, and we just wait for here and see if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade. And if we move to daily chart, we have nothing to discuss based on daily. And how about if we move to forward chart? We don't have anything. The only thing is if we want to look for buy, we have to get the trade setup, because as we can see, the price dropped sharply. Okay. Anyway, the only thing is if we get any trade setup for buy from here, we will take the trade. And I mentioned we were looking for the continuation as a sharp move, not the corrective move. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, we'll share. Thanks.